To prepare my data, I imported my CSV file into Jupyter and used the Pandas library to perform all the necessary transformations. I started by loading the CSV into a data frame and filling all null values for critic score and user score with 0. I dropped all rows containing 0 for user and critic score after that to avoid having a large number of rows rated as below average. I then dropped all columns that were not needed for the algorithm besides user score and critic score. After that, I created my target variable by applying a custom function using the values for global sales before global sales was actually dropped. I then exported my data frame to a CSV file before using it in Weka. When I got to Weka, I wanted to implement 3 different classifier algorithms with various testing options to evaluate which ones were more accurate using evaluation metrics such as the F-measure and true positive rate. Therefore, the 3 algorithms I chose were random forest with 10-fold cross-validation, KNN classification, or called instance-based learning, and Weka using a training set and 5 nearest neighbors, and the bagging algorithm with an 80% split. I chose these 3 algorithms to compare the performances of a trees, lazy, and meta algorithm with various testing options, therefore enabling me to verify which is the most precise. After running all 3 algorithms, I evaluated the ratios of correctly classified instances out of the total number of instances used for each algorithm. The KNN classifier ended up having the highest percentage of correctly classified instances at approximately 65% accuracy. Bagging had an accuracy of approximately 60%, while random forest had an accuracy of 54%. The precision, recall, and F-measure were all higher for KNN classification than the other algorithms as well. After my project, I learned about transforming, cleaning, and preparing data within Python and exporting it to different file types. I learned how to apply rudimentary programming concepts such as variables and if-else statements, as well as built-in Python libraries to create data structures within Python. Additionally, I learned how Python makes it easy for new programmers to understand complex programming logic without having to get boiled down in syntax and formatting that is prevalent in other programming languages. I anticipate Python becoming vastly more popular within the next decade as the preferred object-oriented language used for data analysis and other processing needs in organizations.